Today we're looking at 7 healthcare habits that you can practice in your daily lives. According to the World Health Organization, self-care is the ability of individuals, families, and communities to promote and maintain health, prevent disease, and cope with illness and disability with or without the support of a healthcare provider. Here we share with you 7 healthcare habits we think you should practice. Number 1, exercise. Even for just a few minutes at a time, regular exercise has a significant positive impact on both your physical and emotional well-being. One advantage of exercising is that it can help relieve stress and anxiety. Number 2, take a break whenever you feel the need. Pausing from work for even a few minutes to take a breather can significantly deter stress buildup and help you regain focus throughout your day. Number 3, every day try to eat healthy and avoid emotional eating. Your mental health is influenced by what you put in your body, not only biologically, but you sit and guilt yourself if you eat something you think is wrong. Eat things that you enjoy and that are natural. Your body will appreciate it. Number 4, begin a journal. Spend 15 minutes a day writing down your thought process to get rid of negative thoughts. This will assist you in recognizing your thoughts and how you can improve it or take things in a positive light. Number 5, choose who you surround yourself with. Surround yourself with supportive and encouraging individuals. Allow them to remind you of how incredible you are. If someone is dragging you down with their negativity, try to find others who will fill your days with positive vibes. 6, laugh out loud. Laughter boosts the amount of oxygen in your blood, stimulates your heart, lungs, and muscles, and raises the amount of endorphins released by your brain. It activates and reduces your stress response while also improving your heart rate and blood pressure, leaving you feeling wonderful and relaxed. It can also improve circulation and muscular relaxation, which can help alleviate some stress-related physical symptoms. Number 7, practice meditation or deep breathing. There are several guided meditations on this channel that you can use, and I will link at the end of this blog. With a little attention to your own self-care, things will get better day by day. Small pleasures will excite you, and nothing will seem as difficult as it once did. Including these small self-care activities in your daily routine will help you keep a good balance in your life. Now, which one should we try first?